Good morning, dear students. Today we discuss the topic differentiation of exponential functions. First, what is the meaning of exponential? In real life, meaning of exponential is becoming more and more rapid. And alternatively, we can say that numerical rapid change. So students, let's start the questions of exercise 5.4 that is based on exponential, and we are using quotient rule, product rule according to their requirement. So students, let's start with question number 1. Differentiate with respect to x in e raised to power x divided by sin x. Here e raised to power x is the exponential function. So first let y is equals to e raised to power x over sin x, and here u is ex and v is sin x. So we will apply here the quotient rule. Quotient rule is y is equals to u over v, differentiate with respect to x, and the formula is dy by dx, derivative of numerator, denominator as it is, and minus derivative of denominator and numerator as it is, divided by square of denominator. This is the formula of quotient rule. So students, here we will put the values dy over dx, derivative of u. Here u is the exponential function and derivative of exponential is as it is exponential. So students, we will write here ex as it is, sin x as it is, v is sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x. So in this way, here you can see that we have done the derivatives, and now take common e raised to power x from both the terms. We will get e raised to power x sin x minus cos x divided by square of sin x. So students, move to the second part. Here we have differentiate with respect to x in e raised to power sine inverse x. Here e stands for exponential and power is the sine inverse x. So students, let's start. Let y is equals to e raised to power sine inverse x and differentiate with both sides with respect to x. We get dy over dx is equals to d exponential sine inverse x over dx. Now first do derivative of exponential. Derivative of exponential is same. Now you can see that power involves the sine inverse x. So derivative of sine inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Here I have mentioned the formulas as well, you can see here, which I have used here. So students, in this way we get the result dy over dx e raised to power sine inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square. So this is our answer. Next, here is the question number 3. You can see that questions are really very easy. Exponential is very easy. So students, let's start again. Here we have exponential x cube. X cube is in the power of exponential and we have to do derivative with respect to x. So first let y is equals to ex cube. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get exponential as it is and derivative of power. Here power is x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x squared. So students, in this way we get 3x squared e raised to power x cube. This is our required result. So students, move to the next question. Here we have the fourth question. Differentiate with respect to x in sine tan inverse e raised to power minus x. That's really important. You can see here angle of sine is tan inverse e raised to power minus x and angle of tan inverse is exponential minus x and power of exponential is minus x. So students, be careful, do attentively this question. First, let y is equals to sine tan inverse e raised to power minus x. Differentiate both sides, we get derivative of sine is cos and angle should be copied down. So derivative of tan inverse is formula is 1 over 1 plus xk. You can see here. In this way we will write here 1 over 1 plus angle is exponential. So students आप angle की जगह पर put करेंगे exponential e raised to power minus x. And derivative of e raised to power minus x is as it is because derivative of exponential is same. Now power is negative minus x and derivative of minus x is minus 1. So students, in this way we have calculated this. Now you can see here the solution that is arranged well. First write here exponential and then cos tan inverse e raised to power x e raised to power minus x divided by 1 plus e raised to power minus x whole squared. Now students, this is required result. Now move to the next question. Here is the fifth question. Fifth question is the differentiate with respect to x in log cos ex. Here you can see that the question involve a log as it is. What is log? Log stands for logarithmic and that is the opposite to exponential. But students, logarithmic is really very in use in maths, has a really very important role. Students, जब हम calculator से values find करते हैं, suppose we have to find the value of 0.1 raised to power 99. If we calculate this with the help of calculator, then that doesn't gives you the appropriate answer. So students, in that case we will use the logarithmic to reach the exact answer. So for that you have to do the properties. In the next videos I'll definitely share you the properties of logarithmic function. So students, when we do the derivatives of logarithmic function, then I'll share you the all the properties. So students, here you have to only learn the formula of derivative of log x, that is derivative of log x is 1 over x. So let's start. Differentiate with respect to x and derivative of log is 1 over cos e raised to power x. You can see here जब भी log आता है तो आप क्या लिखते हैं 1 over x. log x है तो 1 over x लिखा जाएगा. यहाँ है क्वेश्चन में log cos ex, then you will write 1 over cos ex. Now do derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sine angle. Here angle is exponential and derivative of exponential is same exponential. And here power is x and derivative of x is 1. In this way we get minus sine e raised to power x over cos e raised to power x exponential, and together sine over cos we get tan. In this way this is our required result. This is our answer. So students, thank you for watching the complete video. Do more and more practice. Stay at home. Keep safe. Take care.